So let us come to this slides page, and now you are going to insert related to some slides, or if you want to attach related to some videos to your students based upon your subject, and if you want to display some notes in any format like Windows microsystem related and Microsoft Word, or any Google documents, any type of PDFs. If you want to simply display to the students using this website, you can do. First of all, let us see with this docs. So docs, so as it is suggested, yeah, now I'm opening this in notes. Why? Because documents related means what? This is the material, study material. It belongs to the student's particular subject wise. So that's why I'm opening this e-notes page. And here, once again, I'm opening this option. Which one? Docs. So click on this docs. This means in your Google Drive, whatever the documents, Google documents available there, simply it displays here. So here you are seeing various types of the document files. So for example, here I want to attach this one. This is related to some students practicals experiment. So just click on this document and click on this insert. And not only one, if you want to insert multiple, more than one or multiple number of documents, you can do. I select this document, and for example, see here the various experiments I'm having. Just I want to display 1 2 3 selected here. Here you are seeing this 3 selected, then place this insert. So now coming to this page, so just scroll upside. So this is the e-note. So here you are going to see this is the first document already you inserted here, you placed here, and this is a second document and third document and one more document. 4 documents I placed. By default, whenever you select the documents, it will comes like one document then after another one. So if you want to utilize whatever the space remain here, so you can utilize by how, for example, see here the space is empty. I want to utilize this space by simply attaching this document here. So just click on this document and just hold it and drag into this empty space, so that the empty space simply covered this place. So now similarly, one more here document, just beside here I'm having the empty space. So just I want to cover up this empty space with this document. So simply drag it and drop it at corresponding particular area. So like this, if you want to specify whether like two documents or one documents or anything as per your requirement. So here I placed nearly 4 documents I placed here. So now how the students can look this, can see these documents. So for that purpose, simply I'm going to the preview, click on this preview. So here whatever the documents you inserted from your Google Drive, simply it displays here. And for example, if the student not able to see the content well, then at that time he can place that he can press this icon. So that is, whenever he click upon this icon, the corresponding document, it will open in another new tab, just like this. See, now I click upon that, which one, this icon. So immediately in the new tab it displayed. So this is what related to some students experiments practicals. So experiment list, whatever the details, notes, if you want to give to the students, so those type of, like here I display, here I placed this experiment number 10.doc document. Normal, this is the Microsoft Word document I placed here. So I'm closing this one, and again I'm come back to this preview. So here the first, second and third and fourth, so overall 4 documents I placed here. So like this. So again I'm just closing this preview. So like this, whenever you utilize this docs application, the Google Documents by default it supports mostly all type of different document files like .doc, .docx, or maybe some Google Docs and maybe some Microsoft related documents files also it accepts. So whatever that notes in the form of Word, MS Word, or in the form of Google Documents, you can insert here with the help of these documents. So like this, simply if you want to give some notes to your students, you can utilize this option. So now coming to the next option, that is the slides. So slides means nothing but your PowerPoint representation. So for this purpose, here I am having another page separately. I created slides page, so that's why I am opening this slides page, and now I am using this option, slides option. Click on this slides. Whenever you click this slides, automatically it will searches in your Google Drive. So that's why, so whatever the content, most of the content, if you want to display to your students, then first of all you have to store. If it will be like some videos, it will be like some document files, or it will be some notes, or it will be some PDF, or it will be some PowerPoints, so or it will be some forms. First of all you have to store in your Google Drive. So from that Google Drive only whatever the corresponding documents or slides it simply takes. So that's why now I am using this, which one, slides. So slides means what, PowerPoint presentations. If I want to simply display to the students, so here click on this slides, then you will get here whatever the already existed slides or presentations, PPT presentation exist inside your Google Drive. They will be display here. So now I'm going to select this one. This is lecture 2, and if you want to select more, you can select. Already one is selected and one more I selected, so 2 selected. So how many number of files you selected, automatically the number will display here. 2 selected, then one more 3, one more 4. So like this you can insert. For example, today's session, today if you want to take one PPT based upon one particular topic, today you can insert the one PPT, and tomorrow if you are going with another topic, for that one you are you are using the PPT. So like day wise you can insert into this website, and automatically once you give the link, website link or web address bar to your student, automatically it will be updated. So that's why day wise you can carry. Day wise if you want to place as per your workload or time schedule, so day to day you can add or attach more number of slides. So right now I inserted the slides here. So already I mentioned whatever the documents are, slides or forms, if you selected more than one, so it by default they will be displayed in the form of one by one. So if you are seeing here the first one, then side one is somewhat of here whatever this side space, here you are seeing the empty. Then if you want to utilize this space, if you want to use this space, use by filling with this corresponding slide. So just drag it and drop, so like this. And similarly one more here, so this is also, and here also I am seeing this empty space, so that's why I want to fill up with this slide. Drag and drop. And if you want to make it size also, you can make it as a small or big as per your requirement. So here I simply inserted 4 slides, PowerPoints. Then how exactly these PowerPoints or slides it will be visualized to your students. It will be simply displayed to your students. Go to this preview, click on this preview. Yeah, here, yeah, so just I'm scrolling down. So here now you are able to see. So these are the slides. The first slide is related to some jet transforms. So if the slides are not visible properly in this web page, so what you have to do, simply go to this top corner. You are seeing this icon. Whenever you click on this icon, automatically it will open into the new window. So like this one, this is the first slide related to some Z transforms. And if you want to give the permissions, like if you want to take the printout, print option is there. If you want to increase the font size, or if you want to add a command, or if you want to increase which one, this if you want to download it, you can download. So like this. Now I'm going to close this new window. So I'm just come back to this preview and again closing this preview. So like this, simply you can add any number of slides. And one more thing I'm saying, that what is the size of this site? So site can store like a larger amount of data. For example, it depends upon the Google Drive. Mostly it depends upon the Google Drive. So Google Drive capacity is what, up to 15 GB, any type of files, maybe some videos, audios, or maybe some document, or maybe some PDF, any type of files, Excel sheet, forms or charts, any type of files. But maximum limitage is what, up to 15 GB you can store here. So that's why whatever the websites are simply utilizing from the Google Drive, which is having the capacity of 15 GB. So that's why here in this website you can place a large amount of data in the form of either Google Documents or slides or sheets or forms. So just now you saw how to use this slides option. So now I'm going to show you what is the purpose of this sheets. So first of all, let us see what is meant by sheet. Sheets means nothing but in Google, by the default, the Google simply naming it as a Google Sheets, but it is nothing but your, compare with the Microsoft organization, MS Excel. Excel sheets are similar to your Google Sheets. So yeah, so for example, I want to insert those sheets under eNotes page. Yeah. So here I'm using these sheets. Click on these sheets. So whenever you click on the sheets, automatically it searches inside your Google Drive if any sheets are exist. So first of all, you have to place whichever sheets if you want to show you on the website. First of all, you have to store those sheets in your Google Drive. So how to store that in Google Drive? Simply by taking the Gmail. Simply by taking the help of this Gmail, simply you can send by yourself, self-wise you can send, so that whenever any sheets or Word file or any document file simply came inside the Gmail, from that Gmail automatically it will goes to the, by default, the Google Drive. So that's why first of all you have to store the corresponding sheets in the Google Drive. So whenever you click on this sheets, it will simply searches inside the drive if any sheets exist or not. For example, here are some of the details, department of CSC. So here also if you want to attach more than one, you can attach. So for example, here I'm inserting the 3 sheets, Google Sheets. Simply want to insert here. So here, see, so this is the first sheet, and scroll down, this is the second sheet, and just scroll down, this is the third sheet. And if you want to exactly see how your website these details, it will be visible, so click on this preview. Yeah, it is taking sort of long time to respond with the preview. No problem. Yeah, so the first two and remaining two, so the first four are already in the previous topic we completed in the Google Docs document. So next one, these are the related to your sheets. So this is the first sheet, and this is the second sheet, and this is the third sheet. So for example, in the third sheet, no more details. So just I want you see this sheet. So in the web, in this present web page only, if you want to see, you can scroll down and you can see. And if you do not see exactly like the font wise not that much of clarity, then if you want to see in the new tab, just go to the top corner. Here you are seeing this icon, click on this one, and automatically it will open the new tab. So here whatever the corresponding Google Sheet details, here you may see. And one more thing is, what if you want to make the changes, so you can make the changes also, you can make the modifications also. So just now I'm going to close this sheet in the new tab. Again I'm going to close this preview. So this is how to utilize this Google Sheets in the form of website. Okay, so the next remaining last two are forms option is there and charts option is there.